22 and your racist ass remark. Nigga, I caught that fade with Lefty. I'll catch that fade with you too, Adam. I'll beat your bitch ass. You ain't shit but a hoe. I'll go down there and wreck your whole motherfucking studio, dog. You ain't gonna do shit but violate me, dog. On federal and state allegations, dog. You ain't shit. Keep your homie's name out your mouth. Fuck you, African. Fuck the pen and on the streets, nigga. You want some? Get some. You see me in public, nigga. I'll be out in all types of situations, dog. Y'all niggas this big boy shit, and I be living this big boy shit, dog. That shit. Fuck you. All the way from Oklahoma on a direct flight, nigga. I promise you. I got all money in, dog.